trailing profit target. Now you've probably heard of trailing stop loss, but this is a trailing profit target. It's a little unique, and what this does is this will push the profit target out of the way, pull the stop loss in, and these will run in tandem and allows for large trades.
Welcome to HolyGrail Algo, simplified trading. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications. HolyGrail Algo is not liable for any loss or damages which may result directly or indirectly from such content.
Hello traders, this is Friday morning, January 23rd, and I'm using an entire trading system. Now this is the MNQ. I'm using 3 micro contracts on it, and I've got several indicators, 3 of them on my chart, and a strategy. Now the 3 indicators, one of them is the trend band. That is this red and green band going across my chart. Red below it, green above it. That's the way you want to trade this. I've got the cumulative delta. That's all the way over to the left. Now I like to wait till that gets to a certain level, depending on the size of your candle and what you're trading, before I will get in a trade. And it was well over 3,000, so I got in. You can see right now it's running over 5. And then we have our long and our short call indicator. Now you'll see we got a short there in the pre-market. We got a long call that we got in on this right here. I got in a little bit late on this one here. And lastly, we have our strategy. Now this allows for trailing profit target. Now you've probably heard of trailing stop loss, but this is a trailing profit target. It's a little unique. And what this does is this will push the profit target out of the way, pull the stop loss in, and these will run in tandem and allows for large trades. You can see that the stop loss is locked in. Once we get to so much in profit, you'll see that the profit target now will move and stay out of the way and keep dragging that stop loss in up behind it. And I've got some monster trades with this when I do this. Now what I'm doing is I'm using all of these indicators as a whole system. So I want to wait till all of them are telling me that this is the trade that I want to get in. 3 micro contracts can do you really well. You can see she's still pushing. The take profit is staying out of the way. The stop loss is dragging right up behind it. But what a way to start out the morning here with this nice trade. Next here, we're trading the micro gold, the MGC. Now I've just got 1 micro contract on this, and we've got our long call. Now you'll notice the cumulative delta is obviously green, but it's going to be a little bit lesser amount just because the volume, and on micro gold is going to be a little bit less. But this does the same thing, pushes the profit target out of the way, drags the stop loss in, and I got about 4.5 points. This is what the MNQ chart looked like on Friday, January 23rd. You can see with all 4 products on the chart, it makes for a very clean and clear chart. Clearly visible is our trend band, and the strength of this is determined by the width of that. Next, with our long and our short calls, you can see clearly with these prints on the chart when it's time to get in a trade. Next, our cumulative delta will flash either red or green depending on which way the market is heading, and this shows an imbalance in the orders that is happening at that particular moment. This changes tick by tick and allows traders to know when the possible best time to get in a trade is. And lastly, we have our long, short, close, and reverse button. That is a strategy that allows for trailing profit target, something very unique in the industry. Now, traders can use this on whatever instrument they want to trade this on. So it doesn't matter what you want to trade, doesn't matter what size candles you want to use, or the time frame. It'll work around the clock. Now, you may want to need to adjust your templates in the strategy to maybe take a little bit less profit or more profit, depending on what time of the day you're in there. Traders can log in and change the amount of contracts that they want to trade. They can also change the stops. They can change the trail dynamics of this, and then they can save it. So it's very easy to use. Each of these products are only $49 for the entire year. It's an incredible value. All of them together added is only 53 cents per day to have an entire trading system. You can even join our Discord. Our Discord is open, and there are other traders in there also using these products as well. I want to thank everybody for watching. I want to wish you a happy trading, and we'll catch you in the next video.